Hey guys, this week's What Kind of Internet Do You Want Web3 Weekly is a bit of an unusual show. It's going to be nice and quick. I'm going to talk about the DePIN Summit that we went to last week and the changes that you can count on from us going forward. So last week we went to the inaugural DePIN Summit. It was in Mountain View and it was hosted by Escape Velocity, which is a VC firm. And it was really interesting to see them sort of lean into the idea of what chaotic times we're living in. If you've heard of Neil Strauss's Fourth Turning, it would be along those same kind of lines where things move in cycles and we have these sort of different eras of time that are, they don't match exactly, but they sort of rhyme or something like that. And right now, we are certainly in a chaotic time. There's a lot of concern about the future on all fronts. And the solutions often seem to come out of left field, but the truth is when looking back on these technologies that have saved humanity again and again, they were in the works for 20 years before they took off. They were an overnight success. And I think that that's what we're going to see with DePIN. The kind of interesting things for me about the room that we were in was that it felt like the kinds of rooms that I used to be in 10 years ago at the first Decentralized Web Summit in 2016, for example. There were about 125 people present. There were 3 women initially at the beginning of the day, a few more trickled in throughout the day. But, that just kind of gives you an idea of the dynamics of this room, that there were just a lot of people who were there for the ideas, who were there to make progress building cool things. And the idea around DePIN is this sort of sleeper hit or something, right? It's like, what's going to save the internet from the catastrophe that we face in terms of not being able to trust our eyes, in terms of getting scammed at every turn, in terms of not being able to build a sustainable business as a creator, or having to face all kinds of manufacturing and payment processing issues if you're kind of doing more of a physical goods business, or the kind of lock-in that we face from these giant big tech companies that have really strong network effects and silos. And so the solution to a lot of those problems people aren't aware of in the mainstream yet, but there is clearly a dedicated group of builders who have been working on these projects for years. And it was so exciting to see that they're finally starting to get some real world traction. A lot of these projects have a significant amount of users, a significant amount of nodes. They're live in the real world. They have real revenues, and they are going to be the kind of thing that has that, overnight success story that was actually many years in the making. So congrats to the organizers and to all of the attendees for the hard work that you've been doing to build the space. We can't wait to see what comes of it. As far as the Web3 Weekly Wrap-Up show, we're looking at changing it to be maybe on a different day. It seems like Friday afternoons maybe isn't a day that people want to watch. So if you want to let us know in the comment section what day you think would be best, we're kicking around some different ideas right now. We're also going to look into doing and we're going to test now for the next couple of weeks, a DePIN daily show where I just break down something going on in DePIN, just one topic every day, so that you can get a little bite-size bit of knowledge about, different projects, new announcements, things that are happening in the DePIN space. So let us know if you like those as well. Please share them if you do. That really helps us. And have a great week back. First week of fall, I guess, is here for most of us. It's kind of like Labor Day, end of summer. So I hope you had a good summer, and we'll see you in the next one.